Backbush TV, like and subscribe. Right now we are going to just jump over in our live where we see sound clash are go on in Guyana. Gideon War. So Backbush TV, like and subscribe. Be a big sound there. We'll jump in it and get it. Mad.
Alright, so we shake up the bag. People, draw close to the stage, right? You don't know. Draw close, get a good view. This is Armageddon 2025. So we're going to start with the first song. Our first representative. Stonewall out to Antigua. And the Antiguans here? All who represent for the Antiguans them. You know, the last year we had cannabis. And now we have Stonewall out to Antigua. So the Antiguans them always represent for Armageddon. So just push them in the back and pull a car. Alright. What number you have? 5. Alright. Stonewall for number 5. Draw closer to the stage, man. Just come up to the stage. I'll tell you, come to the stage so you can get your position up front. Because when the park full up, you don't know it go. So Stonewall is going to be playing number 5. Stonewall. Alright. Next in line we have Spotlight Sound. Out to George from Guyana, Linden Town. Anybody from Linden there? Anybody from Linden there? Alright. So Spotlight. Alright. So Spotlight for number 6. So we're starting from the top. Yeah man, just keep it. That's your number. Spotlight as number 6. Make sure you keep your number so you know which number you're playing at, alright? So we have number 5 and number 6 out of the way. Last year, if you were at the National Stadium, you would have seen this representative all the way from Japan. First time a Japanese representing in Georgetown, Guyana. That's why, and he made a good representation of himself. So he's back here again. So big up all of the people them who were there last year supporting Article Pride. So Article Pride is going to pull their number. Article Pride pull number 2. So Article Pride is going to be the second song played. And last year, big up the ladies them, because the ladies always support Empire Media in Armageddon. So big up all the females. Last year, for the first time, we had a female grace in the Armageddon stage. And she left an impact, went all the way to the 4th round, and we all know what happened, alright? So that's why she's here again. Let's welcome Diamond Sunshine and the Cosmic Movements. Any Diamond Sunshine fans there? Any Cosmic Movement fans there? Them say the girls run the world. So she's gonna pull next. Alright, so Diamond Sunshine is gonna be playing number 4. Cosmic Movements is gonna be playing number 4. Okay, and for the first time, we're going to be having a song on the Armageddon stage, representing from the land of wood and water, representing from the island of Jamaica, representing Ruff Cut sound, the crocodile sound. Big up all of the people that will love and respect Sun Clash culture. We have a real Jamaican here tonight, representing in Georgetown, Guyana, Ruff Cut sound. And Ruff Cut, for the first time in Guyana, and Ruff Cut is going to be playing first, number 1. So Ruff Cut is going to be playing number 1. I big up our Guyanese because we are in the land of many waters. And we represent from where we're from. Alright? The land of island water. Guess to big up yourself. Swingers, Melonite, Protocol. I don't know what it does. Alright? Still have to do it. Any singers fans here? Anybody representing for singers, sir? The youths are the future. So representing Singer Sound, Million 9. So I'm going to do the honors because one number left. I don't know Stingers is going to be the third sound. Alright? So DJs, remember your numbers. The clash is going to be starting in, and of course, Rockstone Tonic Wine, E-Networks, and you don't know, the Ministry of Culture, Youth and Sports supported some clash culture. I don't know, this is brought to you by Empire Media Inc. Armageddon 2025. And you know the rules already. The DJs, each and every DJ is more equipped with the rules. You know we have a strict, no profanity rules. The DJs know the words they cannot use. Alright? And this is going to be the first round, introduction round. No elimination. You don't know anything goes. The DJs are going to introduce themselves to you. And then the second round, you don't know who starts the elimination. So we have for the first time in Georgetown, Guyana. Let's give them a warm welcome. Out of Kingston, Jamaica. Out of Kingston, Jamaica, representing the parish of St. Elizabeth. Let's welcome Ruff Cut sound to Georgetown, Guyana. Ruff Cut! Ruff Cut.
Yo. Guyana, big up on yourself. The first time I found over here. We like the settings, we like the crowd. Tonight is gonna be trouble. Can we hear some people and say, I feel them here. Let me tell you plain and straight. This is not Guyana versus Jamaica. This is Soundman clashing against Soundman. So don't feel like you're there and you're comfortable. No bother with that. This is the capital now for war. Me put it yes up. Big up all Caribbean people in our place. First time I'm going to teach them how to start dance. Guyana, big up on yourself, like how Nash for board. Unrolling. Put up one under here, make God see. Put up one under here. Watch out. What you say? All who say sound fit dead, boss a shot in our ear. Now.
Ruff Cut killer sound is burning.
What about? All who follow the word. No one should be gone in our ear. I'll be gone in our ear.
One bag of sound good, that if you worry about. But it is a can do without from sound for them. Ruff Cut
Million 9. Big up Slingers. Not the Stingers. But Million 9, I'm going to beat you like dog. Behave yourself. When you see bad MC and bad son, know what you say.
Live line, put your feet in, rock it in. To the top of my feet, up it.
All the ones is on it. Everybody here, watch out.
Ruff Cut, from me got to final, nobody in the car, me shoot up a boy, lens and shoot up a... 20 matic spark.
Now come tell me about Stingers and money. Big up the boss. Work for your own. Make sure you have your own money. All who have ambition, watch out.
I saw that. Don't lock on the store, all time kitchen now, wash off the clothes. Just everything shoot up, shut off the glass.
Mark, me have a friend, big up, you see you.
Kill I am a killer, glass of a toast. Kill I am a killer, gun papa the boss. Rich. Hey, little lady.
Boy, not tell me about money. Not tell me about money. Not money.
Chase it to the time.
Not money.
Hey, little lady.
You give me no coffee, put on, me no boy.
What you say?
You give me no coffee, put on.
All that Johnson, gunna.
Touchdown.
GT
You man never know no more John this year in Guyana, but some luck in a year.
West side, come and them back every time. If you have a lot of something up your right, books and man them not pay. Them no more trash come badness. So fire man them rise, you can't care when them no more to recall the
This is not no walkover. Show me pick number one, someone alarm. All who know your leader must have luck in a year. That's why they pick number one. I mean, a lead on first. Everybody will follow the war. Gun on in here.
Get that, Buster, get that. 6 o'clock.
Gun on in here.
Get that. Them will let the mash up on road. Good. Buster, all them must take coke. Them a sell batty back road. Joke. The girl, them a chat a business on.
Millionaire, all the talk when you make on Facebook. You notice me not listen to you? Big head boy, me there you know. Me there you know. Me there you know. Got him.
Pussy them friend and shop out again. 6 packs bus blood shop out again. Rich man miss shop out again. Funny accident. Me not man anybody like shop. The commoners man.
Stonewall. Me and me one bad man. Me don't live off of people badness. Long time me a bad. Guyana make me tell him.
Listen, yo. Hey, Barry, kill him on a sorry, you know, man. Ruff said best. Tell him don't test. You bad this up great long time. I'm Mary James, I carry the Glock fine. Ruff Cut, tell them see I'm blind. Me and we are my big gun back. Ruff Cut sound. I go on the gun lip. We kill a jump on some.
Drift. Ruff Cut sound. I go fuck up in ya. Acha. Oh no. More. Kiba. Yeah. This Ruff Cut sound in ya. Them a killer.
Oh boy, you think a joke and see up your boy. You see tonight.
Rock on everything when you fire, you wrap it up. I saw him down to all the fling it up.
What you say? I was on this. Gun on in here. Gun on in Guyana.
You know what's wrong for them?
Ruff Cut, lock off like a murder them rats. Drop it up, dog, and fuck up and back up on it.
When we just reach an airport, I want girl walk over and say, I want to come from yard. I want to bad son. Just when you reach over National Park, this more you do.
I don't cut so.
What it do? What it do?
I don't really know what you when you're there.
What lion that's what we do?
Killer sound there. Killer sound there. Killer sound there. Kill it. Killer sound there. Killer sound there.
Watch it.
Killer sound there. Kill it. Stop.
Millionaire, you talk about a crap. No high power home gun badness. And no money you do it tonight. And talent. Boy, be in your yard.
I'm gonna kill me if I like to tell. Say them up in a line, come. All the blood clot is charging. Check.
All those of them kill them. Gun on the line. Gun on the line.
I never pussy in the show.
You ain't pay your boss money, boy. Hey, boy, please stop the jumping. Time. All right. That was Ruff Cut sound. All who say Ruff Cut more months are good. Anybody have a lighter? Blink your lighter. Anybody have a torch? The torch man are in the venue. All right. First sound in the first round.
Armageddon Thunder Crash.
Representing Guyana is not new to their island because the Antiguans has graced our stage 3 times before. But if you're familiar with Sun Clash culture, this is the foundation sound of Antigua.
Wow.
This is the big sound for Antigua, the godfathers of Antigua. Let's welcome on stage for the first time, representing Antigua. Any Antiguans here? Any Antiguans there?
Wow.
This is Stonewall sound.
Wow. Guyana want more. You see tonight? Now we're in trouble. Cause man, I'm no joke with them. My name is Wicked Man. You see my bad shooter in them sick one. I will forward from Antigua. And you see tonight, I want me come on. All the compasses out there say there. Say there. Stop with that.
Oh my Father, who art in Zion, all the way.
Turn it up.
He's on thy kingdom come on earth, thine will be done on earth.
Listen, tonight, we have a beat and teach them. The complete 45 from early, they shot the lock.
Then this phone one, man, kill machine, run it, singing, Father, Lion, Father, jump John, Father, I don't know. Destruction of your old band sound is vanity. Where do you ever go? Stonewall shout it loud.
But don't tell them when I run no joke. And the first sound is come and kill them for early.
Then someone want that slip one. Pop off and flip one, they like right. When I see my take one, they go. Right for sure. Man, I fall down the rocks. Bullet in the eyes. And from them, this one walk, come back. Maggie off the eyes. On my right. I think I'm sad. From them, this the kill of them. This one, them kill of them. Baby, you get just cut the light off. I know I'm right.
You want kill them, go kill them tonight, turn it up.
Kill them now, yeah.
Singers, middle night. When you see them, I tell you, top track, blood clot on you. We are bad man here. They play custom and they flag all the war here, bad custom, now say bad. Say bad. Turn it up.
You better go back to West Side.
Jimmy, we had one song from Guyana already, representing the West Side. Anybody from Linden there? Anybody from Linden there? All who represent Linden Town, let's get ready for the first time on the Armageddon stage. Spotlight sound out of Linden, Joshua, Guyana. Make some noise for Spotlight sound.
People, big up yourself. First thing I gotta tell you, none of them have no creativity. Everybody sound the same just a while ago. Shoot, pop down. Tonight, we are gonna show you music and real talent, okay? Tell us about this. What happening there? What actual black representative? No, the Japanese came out with a Guyanese flag. That is now, we are in Guyana, turn up.
Murder jump and sound a business of oh, man thing, Grimes over there.
Guyana, listen me now.
some scene styles, keep this thing going. Itchy guns, murder jump and sound in the business. Anyway, come from large and large. Mr. Charleston, all them, west side, east bank, all them, Baltica, northwest, Essequibo, lead out, murder them jump and sound there.
Listen to me.
In fans of the sun clash, spotlight sound I go kill them. Set them rich and now have no fun time. Spotlight sound I go hang them. Set them sound on fire. Spotlight on a killing spree. The fans them salute you. Spotlight I go kill them for free.
Don't play the game. All who love Guyana right now, make them out the Thomas know they can't come take the trophy and bump the black lane. Play! If you want something, say yes. I want you to listen. Yes, it's tonight.
Slingers International should fucking retire. Some shit should be in the car park, handing out flyers. Ruff Cut, let me have the business for so fucking long. How much sound that them kill, not blood clot one. The Japanese get karate fucking kick tonight. Slingers get a shot between the two eyes.
Stop! Them not a bomber walking me tonight. All who said them dead, said dead.
Hey, me someone them for no sound 450 represent the baddest bumbo class sound. Me tell you about spotlight sound. I see the band, Monty, I see your grinds, I see styles. Well, Brooklyn, Guyana, here. Them know sound bumbo class. Yes, me see spotlight sound. Yes, if you jump and violate. Hear them say, murder. Some sound them use them more too much noise and they be turn up. Wake up high and now them bodies still a turn up. Now take no trade, care for death and you make me nervous.
Hold on. When we talk about creativity, our proud Guyanese was a blood clot black.
Spotlight, out of a top, some see some boy them out white.
Proud
Yeah,
Guyanese.
but tonight, we're gonna murder some pussy.
You know what?
What's that? Some say no bad Jamaican. Some say no bad Trinidadian. Some say no bad Trinidad, Mediterranean, and Antigua. Some of them take a spotlight, man. Bad Guyanese. Bad Guyanese, man. I'm gonna say them the
Well on. Let me play this from top. Cause the bomber war Japanese came over the karate suit.
real gangster.
No, how you have come with fingers and two to a gun fight? You stupid! Turn up! Bomber one! Robbing me tonight! Hold on! Me have a gun! A called Notorious Singers! You never came notorious, so you call yourself number one! Play! No big deal, no big deal.
don't know how it goes. So, that was the end of the first round. That was the end of the first. I was in the first round, man. Come on stage for the first time, representing Antigua. Any Antiguans there? Any Antiguans there?
Wow.
This is Stonewall Sound.
Wow. Guyana one. You see tonight? Now we're in no trouble. Cause man, I don't no joke with them. My name is Wicked Man. You see my bad shooter in them sick one. I will forward from Antigua. And you see tonight, I want me from war. All who come to see sound there, say there! Say there! Stop, Mr.
Oh, my Father, who art in Zion, all the way.
Turn it up!
He's on thy kingdom come on earth, thine will be done on earth.
Listen, tonight, we have a beat and teach them. They come play 45 from early, they shot the lock.
Then this phone around man, kill machine, run singing, Father Lion, Father, jump on, Father, I don't know.
Destruction of your old band sound is vanity. Where do you ever Stonewall shout it loud?
But don't tell them I run no joke. And first all this come and kill them for early.
Yes, man, one that is sleep one. Pop off and flick one in the time, right? When I see my take one in the go. Right for sure. Man, I follow the house. Bullet in the house. And from them, this one walk, come back. Man, it's off like this. One man, right? I think I'm sad. From them, this the kill of them. This for them, tell me. There be you, they just cut the light off. I know I'm right. What is it?
You want to kill them, go kill them tonight, Tony.
Kill them now, yeah.
Singers, Melanie, when you see me, I tell you, top tribe, blood clot run through, we a bad man here. They play a custom and they flag all the war here, bad custom, now say bad. Say bad.
And that's the first one, this wicked man with him. Get used to that face, to be a killer.
Yo, Stonewall, I just a that song. Yo, silent time, lockdown. Stonewall, I'll be bad, Stonewall, I'll be bad. I'll be bad, Stonewall, I'll be bad. I'll be bad, wicked man, I'll be bad. Stonewall, we are be bad, some them a massage. Them know say we mad already. Them know we mad already.
Champion. And also the stage just went up. As you can see, $1 million was the first prize. Premier promotion just linked me and said $200,000 more to the first prize. So the first prize gone up to 1.2. So the DJs, the bar just went up. The money just gone up.
We don't know what it was time, you know, they're all shot.
That came out. All of the ladies who've been to Armageddon before, show me one hand in the air. If you came to an Armageddon before, the ladies. So, and the ladies, you know, this year, who run the world? Who run the world? Well, we're gonna find out tonight. Representing for the second time on the Armageddon stage, the first female to grace the Armageddon stage, representing for the United States of America, representing for Cosmic Sound. This is Diamond Sunshine in the first round.
Guyana, big up on yourselves. I'm very glad to be back. Good night, and thank you for reaching the clash. Now, I see Ruff Cut walk up here and said, I'm going to show on the office dance and play One Love. Now, song clash for them. Big up everybody who knows say you're not going to war and preach about love. If you don't say you're not going to war and preach about love, 200 years, what's up, long? How I do them? Oh, you start dance is before anything. You must be your Father God. And I got tell, because without God, you weren't there. So before we start the killing, I have to bless the place and big up your Father. I don't know say you're grateful for life, but we can't start the foolishness now. Alright, the place blessed. We're good, right? Alright. So, Ruff Cut in a trouble, people. I will see the interview with the two men who fly from Jamaica in a matching outfit like they're married. Right now, Jamaica shame now. Jamaica not claim them, you know. I tell you that because no Jamaican ever said them stand behind two men in a matching outfit when things say they come here and marry. It can't go so. Foolishness start right now, people are dead. Drop it.
No on the boss.
What up, Jay?
On the boss. On the boss.
I go on the boss.
Shut the school like it's on the boss. Oh, you feel this?
What up there?
Stop the move on the ball. What up, Jay? Right from the police, the pop, the green scraper. I'm just.
You know why I'm afraid for coming at each other and start the war right now? Because from the little bit, me bad, me face it. Drop it!
Me now no change, some me do, some me do. Me no come in, no, some me do, some me do. The pussy don't be never bye.
I don't know, sir. How will you say? 200 years!
Me no need no permission. Me no need no party hotel. Fi boss me go, where fi boss me go, why fi boss me go.
You think I came? I'm gonna slaughter every one of them tonight. You think I play a thing? Listen to me. Them man you think say a fun and games tonight. But me there to make them know.
Them start a war with them can't handle. Them shut a rap run watch like a bangle. Them never get bumbo class this month.
They feel like through me a woman. Me a weak fence. They feel like through me a woman. Them can't roll over me tonight. Stop!
I hear me strength them up. Your strength alone them up.
What I think?
Them line up the car them and the bike and make me run in on them.
What I think?
How with them feel like let's keep.
And the bomber clock do them, man. What do them? Listen me. Alright, drop that one there. The one where you say. And then this. And then this right here. Wait. Go for the one where you say, alright? Them say we only have matter of fact leave. Let's go, yes. No! Pause. Listen me. Me see the Japanese. Pick up the Japanese. He might make an outfit, you know, whatever. And him say, he don't speak English good. I don't know, say he never have to announce that, because we know already, 200 years. And he kind of realize say he can't speak it good. But it's alright, he come from Japan, he might try. The problem with me have with him, last year he come here, he never speak English good. The man have 12 blood clot months to learn. I don't know, say, in the which party they last year. This year you have to be in a better place. Bust up, man, top!
What do you think? What do you think? What is that? We don't even know you. This is not show no progress. One thing goes through life for them.
Louder than that! Louder than that! Alright! People, we want her back again. She's going to be back in the second round. Remember, purchase 4 Rider Hard Wine for $1,000 and you get a bag. Also make sure you check out the Rockstone Tonic Wine. You don't know, the E-Network, big up yourself, you know the sponsors on board. Big up 94, Boom 94, number 1 in the place. As well, be a 45. When you play a song, I'll be a dub you for play. Watch how you start it with a local artist. We are going to write off the whole of them.
Yo, I'm again. Let's contest this. Yo, Slingers family, I want to do some soft pussy, some boy I feel like say them can be sweet and feel. But we not play no Guyanese artists. Yo, DJ Melaman, yo, select a matter. Let me tell you, chop my blood clot rhythm. All them right now saying them know Slingers at the old place. From West Side.
We have a song from Japan. We have a song from the United States of America. And we have a song from Jamaica, which was the first song. Anybody can tell me where the next song from? Anybody can tell me where the next song from? Representing Georgetown, Guyana. Let's welcome on stage. In the first round, Slingers family. Bill and I the microphone over there. And remember, the time starts when they play the first song, alright? Yeah. Watch on this now, National Park. Big up everybody, boy, I know. See, tonight somebody have got dead, boy, huh? You see, watch on this now. A first song, no elimination. This is not fancy gallop, this is big someone. So we have to take good time and kill them. You see, this is Guyana #1. I don't know your love where you come from. Give me your hand in our ear so you're not sell out. See that how we come from Guyana, we always different. Magic.
Slingers family. Guyana #1 blood clot.
What them feel like tonight?
Them for no sustain sector. Slingers family. #1 can be around the team.
Look.
Like the water.
Look. No matter what part of the world we go, we always rep. You see what I want?
Just now. Big up Slingers family, them not sell out. Them try cut for wings, but we still a fell out.
Why not?
Slingers family, no boy can diss my ratings down.
Watch how we are doing this tonight, though.
Slingers family, a real killer be true. And the sound this tonight, get the truth. Slingers family, no boy can diss my ratings down.
Watch out, crossroad.
Guyana line, Slingers soul.
Magic. A big son, them forward fear.
Sound shot, those are we gon' shine your fella.
Why not?
Test this Slingers, your sound right far.
Them feel the back tonight. Turn up, Slingers, turn up.
Mama, this Slingers I'm running. I'm on it with
Make it clear, hold on.
Papa boy, I feel it.
Who you see tonight?
Don't shot a screaming and a sound for them. Slingers I'm stand the lane.
You know how much of them are gonna come and talk up like them, man? But a William Slingers make my arms snap.
One question, boy, how would you feel if you wake up one morning and start Slingers AK-47? Feel like you want this and care about your car. Because the Slingers are in a walk with the law. One up, that's your face strong. Easy.
I don't know the fault for Slingers, kill some, go some, turn up, you stop, turn up.
Slingers family will play every time. Stay strong and stay forever. The other powers how we never see them. Living innocent to the life is a short shit. The music on the set. Can you imagine on my face as well? As it turns our faces.
This is Slingers send the two young souls and they're pretty fair. Never tell you why.
Forever young. Slingers family forever young.
Look, Sousa, don't mix this song and bad song this. All you know you're there for you, a big song, put your hand in our ear. If you know you're ready to want to go, sir!
Even if you know man like how even if you know we can
This is some boy I'm chatting.
sound and heart, all the big up them friends. Them young things about Slingers can't get Guyana with number.
Watch how you take time and shoot a boy.
Shut your mouth when Slingers them talk.
Why not?
Disrespect Slingers gun them with bark.
Listen now.
Why not try and come this? There was a Slingers family in the show and this Messina get shot. Shut your mouth when Slingers them talking. Disrespect the plate and the bar.
So listen now.
Why not try and come this?
I'll be a big son here tonight. Watch out. Hey.
Copper shot at on your black and blue. Who the fuck is you? Think of this as
Switch up.
them.
Then I will place.
This will be a big one there tonight. Slingers touchdown.
Slingers gun them down like the guy short fast. And you kind of must make pussy blood leak. Stop all the color of them at this.
So watch out. Look.
Permanent sleep again.
This is Slingers. This is Guyana #1 sound, you know. You see we're there for kill people and make them know we're there #1.
The realities of the Western days, yes, indeed. Them knows the women. Slingers family, you done. You step in and they dance for murder, jump on.
Oh, see them pretty pressure.
Turn on the boy pending and travel comes like the place in the murder, jump on. Bamba biddy bamba biddy bamba biddy bang. Now that stone gone, you will kill another one.
Remember just what's wrong. We are take time and cruise to this. Watch out.
When I think I send them butter.
Come on.
Send them Slingers. Come on.
So listen.
Think I send
them never go down tonight. Watch out now.
them. Oh, Slingers family, big boom, Stonewall. I like a pepper Slingers that don't know me mercy up the spot.
Watch how you take time and shoot the boy.
How am I saying up the light? I make the boys and a chance. How we roll.
Turn it out now. Watch what boy now. Oh, my time shot. Well, here now, but there for answer now. Who don't hear a boy forward up here and call up my name and try this way? Him come try this singers about the blessings and attacks you with hype. Or you can forward and try this way. And you be a 45 you play. Or you say a big sound and I be a 45. When you play a song, I be a dub you for play. Watch how you start it with a local artist. Me go right off the whole of them.
Yo, I'm gonna let's contest this. Yo, Slingers family, I want to do some soft pussy song where I feel like say them can be sweet and feel. But we not play no Guyanese artists. Yo, DJ Melanin, yo, select a matter, let me tell you, chop my blood clot really. Or them right now saying them know some singers at the old place. From West Side.
You see Ruff Cut come and talk and you see a beer 45? Why they play 45?
And them first thing Ruff Cut them up. And they got the most chat stone wall, say them bad money.
What that feel like? Where's your gun Slivers? All Slivers won in the first round. You see the arms come out. You see the Tajem come out. You see the lighters come out. That was Slivers' first round. Article Pride, you have your microphone on the table here. Alright? And your time starts when you play your first song. And I just want to let the people know. Remember, we do not have a playback rule in effect. So you don't know. But we're still asking the DJs in the name of some clash culture and professionalism. You know how it goes, alright? You ready? So, are you ready for the second round? Are you ready for Article Pride in the first round?
Crash. 6 boss bad sound there enough. First of all, I want to introduce myself here. My English is not good, people. Please understand and listen carefully my English. Me I go talk slowly. Last year we come here, but we lost this flash. But people is below, but Japanese never give up.
Treat that like good, no? You have to just believe it.
Yo, Japanese coming in the fight back!
One does not better than boss.
We're not ready! Guyana! What we say?
We never give up, dog. We never stop trying.
Where the dog
get up, dog. Now wait one time, body line, you fuck, dog.
Where the Guyana taggy red, dog?
The GLE ever come, dog. And 9.5 samurai pull up, dog. One time we did broke, dog. Summer. To the whole of me dogs, them where they like pen. We are only remind dog with weed and blem until the night end. And the whole of your fancy, I do it from them.
No bread. People, we don't compete, get the $1 million. I just come to kill some and I bring back this trophy. And tomorrow morning, I have a son. I just wanna show him this trophy.
I want to say Article Pride, you know.
Yo! Tomorrow morning, what's gonna happen? What if you afraid? Mask!
Someday I can look at those trophies. Someday
you don't rate article pride, them a rate up. So you can bust up your mouth straight up. Yeah, lift up your rifle with the Jago, ready to kill anybody, and that's how we stay, bro. Article
rifle and Jamaican full up to faster and
chip can go big your article. Lift up your rifle fast, pay and don't fight it. Aim to go shot it and guess now article pride, no afraid to kill nobody. Yeah, man, I saw it and I saw it go daddy. Take up in a boy place and go funny. And we no afraid to tell nobody. If you go stop mommy, you can go stop your mommy. We no afraid of nobody.
People, we don't need a video of that. I just come give us short to you.
Article pride. I mean say yo, Japan, you don't know, start guru. I mean say yo, one man so.
People, what's the money into there?
Japan. I mean say about trophy, I represent.
Nobody can test me. Nobody.
Article by this me and the extension, give me and the borrow. I'm couple of them down, I don't. Start guru, I go side on me fire. Why G me and the yo? Why G by this me and the bono?
Want to be a coming to them?
Me only 19, Japanese badness. Clip up that, clip on the video. Who wanted that?
Yo, last time we have support Guyana. We play Guyana artist. Let me play Guyanese artist. If you know Junior B, big up Alabama. Lead them, big up yourself. Tagville, East Ramel, West Ramel. When we talk about that, we play this song. Even play this song. But mine is custom thing, you know.
One press, here gonna always go. Look on the street.
If you want to custom that place. Let me play one more Guyanese artist, but in a younger artist. I'm younger sound. Younger sound, the one that's about the younger artists. When we are talk about younger artists, we play this song. You know, body dance, show your hands.
One man soldier, you know. A real samurai.
We are the younger artists in the Guyana.
Me tell about Japanese badness. Ruff Cut, them afraid of the badness. The pan jump, me talk all about 100. Stonewall, them never in attacking. Rise up the key and shot them. We no come to the clash for no chattings. Article pride full them up a damn lit. Sling us family and remove them damn neck. In the year go I'm a Gideon. Place full of real gunman. We send sound one with them like that.
My final song will be playing. Come to action this. Really different. Listen carefully. Japanese to the end of. We know other Chinese. But Japanese, you know.
Samurai soldiers, pop. Samurai.
Alright, almost article prime 117. Almost in the clash nice and nice. Just imagine, it's only the second sound in the first round. Armageddon 2025, the rise of a new champion. And right now, you know why you can't kill me tonight? Let me tell you why. Listen me. Listen why you can't kill me. You people, when I listen to Prince Dostaya. You pick him up, you lick him down, him bombs right. What a hard man for dinner. Let me open it. Hold on, please, Buddha boy, for me. Hold on, please. Hold on. You see that little youth, yeah? Me pick him up the other day. It's a little youth. Big show. Come here, son. Send firehouse. Send roll away. Roll on. Roll on. Roll on. You see what me walk with tonight? You see what me walk with tonight? You know why me walk with this tonight? You know why? Drop through.
Yo, Blackbush TV. Them don't know from them this contact like push. Me no one know you, my guns them don't know you. What you send me press nothing left not in the dark one. This and the little Lee run our piece. That here zero play you want to lose head. Hey! Dead. A Blackbush, White Town, 100. Portmore, Knuckles head, Blackbush, rise up a zigzag head. Laugh and slow them Blackbush.